Welcome to my channel,
where we explore the world, one destination at a time. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of travel and tourism. What exactly are they, and how do they shape our experiences? Let's find out. Number 1. What is travel? Travel simply means moving from one place to another, whether it's for fun, work, or personal reasons. It can be as simple as a weekend road trip or as adventurous as a round-the-world expedition. But what makes travel truly special is the experiences, cultures, and memories we collect along the way. Number 2. What is tourism? While travel is the act of moving, tourism is all about the experience. Tourism happens when people travel to places for leisure, exploration, or cultural experiences. It's a major industry that includes hotels, airlines, restaurants, and entertainment. In fact, tourism plays a huge role in many countries' economies by creating jobs and supporting businesses. Types of tourism. Did you know there are different types of tourism? Let's take a quick look at some of them. Leisure tourism. Think of beach vacations, city tours, and adventure trips. Business tourism. Traveling for work, conferences, and networking events. Cultural tourism. Exploring history, art, and traditions of different places. Ecotourism. Sustainable travel focused on nature and conservation. Medical tourism. Traveling for healthcare, treatments, or wellness retreats. Religious tourism. Visiting holy sites, pilgrimages, and spiritual journeys. Why travel and tourism matter? Travel and tourism aren't just about having fun. They bring people together, boost local economies, and help us learn about the world. Whether you're exploring a new country or discovering hidden gems in your own city, every journey adds to our understanding of different cultures and ways of life. So, that's a quick look at what travel and tourism are all about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure.